Hey guys, and welcome back to another Game Week review. This is False9, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So we'll start off with sorry, we'll start off with Nigel, who is in the
Nice.
eighth position.
Yeah, I think it was pretty good game week for me. I jumped from ninth to eighth. Not a big jump, but any progress is progress. I'm kind of happy with the way my team performed. I made the wrong captain choice, but you want to get them wrong sometimes, I suppose. Really happy with the way Grealish and Vardy performed. Grealish with a goal and 2 assists. The same for Vardy. Yeah. Also, I'm happy that Podence rewarded me for my faith in him. I have had him since Fulham, and he's not been scoring. But then to have him score a goal versus Palace is really satisfying. Also, yeah, I made two transfers. I took a hit this game week. I removed Mitrovic and I think it was Mitchell for Chilwell and Bamford. It kind of stung that Mitrovic provided 2 assists and that Bamford didn't do anything. But yeah, I suppose that's how it goes sometimes. And my defense was horrible this game. I got no points from Martinez and Saiz. Saiz didn't start also, so didn't start anyway.
Okay.
What are you going to do about size? Are you going to stick with size?
Probably not. I think I'll remove Saiz for someone like Bellerin aggressor. If I have the money to upgrade him, that is. Or downgrade him. I don't know how much he is right now. But I don't think I'm going to stick with Saiz. He doesn't look nailed. Either left centre back or at left wing back.
But your midfield is that hard.
Yeah, I don't think I'll change my midfield too much. I'm happy with the way it's been performing.
How happy are you with Foden scoring? Before the game, you said that this is going to be the last game, that you're going to keep him in your team if he doesn't perform.
Yeah, that was incredibly satisfying. I mean, I wasn't watching the match, but then I was just checking the updates again and again, and then I just saw the goal. The first goal went in. I thought, okay, maybe Jimenez scored or something. But then Ait Nuri scored for some reason, and I think that was a Puden's assist, which FPL did not give. He clearly crossed the ball, and I think Kuyate's header wasn't that didn't deflect the ball too far away from Ait Nuri's shot. I think that had to be a Puden's assist, but then FPL became FPL is FPL basically. But when the second goal popped in and I saw the notification that Podence had scored, I was really, really happy. And I started messaging in the group and going crazy.
But 66 points with 2 ducks in your team is still good enough, I guess.
Yeah, that is it. Could have had more of my defense perform better, but yeah, whatever.
Okay. So now moving on, we are going to see Vishwa, who is in fifth position. Sixth position.
I'm actually satisfied with my team except Son and Fernandez. As I was expecting Son to score, I think he was favorite candidate for this game week to score, but I didn't have much luck. And even Fernandez, United had a poor performance against Arsenal, and I was expecting, looking at how United played in Champions League, to score at least 1 or 2 goals, and he getting some good points for me. I think Bruno Fernandes was the difference maker for my team. I don't think many have him except Warren, so that made difference for my team. Because rest all of them have Kane and I have Fernandes, so there was my loss. That's the only thing, only complaint I have for this game week.
I want to stick with Fernandez.
Probably.
Oh, what about Zaha? What are your thoughts on Zaha?
Yes, I will stick with him too.
Oh,
And Mitchell.
No, I have Dinia on my bench. His suspension is over.
oh, you have Dele on the bench. Oh, okay, okay. Nice.
So if he sticks with that midfield, he has to play a 3-5-2.
Yes.
Yeah. What is it? Unless he goes really brave and plays Davis or boy. But they don't even start anyway.
And also,
Any
MS
changes in mind,
Rodriguez is
Vishwa?
just. Pardon me?
Do you have any changes in mind?
As of yet, no, I haven't looked at my team, neither at the fixtures. So I have to look at that. So I can't say anything as of now. But one thing I can say is MS Rodriguez is there. I think they play against Manchester United, and I'm not confident with him coming this game week. Though I
Hmm.
feel he will get some good points. I don't know. My gut feeling is like that. He is getting good points, but I just don't trust him. Like last game week, he was not completely fit. Not previous. I mean, the game week 6, he was not completely fit,
Hmm.
and this they play against United. Tough game week, I feel.
Yeah.
I wouldn't see him to have lost there either.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was Vishwa at 6th with 54 points, and now we go to Ribov, who got the highest points for this game week, 75 points. Ribov, what do you have to say about your game week?
I think it was the best game week I had in my entire 2 years of playing FPL, and I was in the seventh position, and I jumped to fourth after this game week. I think the best thing that happened in this game week was Arsenal getting a clean sheet and Bellerin getting that assist. I kept faith in Arsenal, and they have rewarded me this game week with almost 20 points, and that was the
Hmm.
difference that was in our league, because nobody else
You
had
should say
Arsenal
that.
players. And
You should say that for Bellerin, not for Leno,
what?
because Leno is a first stress. You should say that for Bellerin and not Leno, because you have to play Leno. You don't have any other goalie who's going to play. Bellerin is the only
Yeah.
one.
Yeah,
That too, Valerian was your
yeah,
bench. He
that's
came on as a
there.
substitute.
But
Lucky
yeah,
boy.
that was another lucky thing. I had Mitchell on my team list and Bellerin on the bench as number two, not even number one. And Rodriguez didn't play, and Mitchell didn't play, and I got lucky with 12 points. And rest, only Zaha didn't perform. I expected more from Zaha and Son. I did one transfer, that was I transferred Calvin Lewin, Calvert Lewin, and brought Mitrovic in. But it was
They got the
not a
same
big
points.
difference.
Yeah.
They got the same points. Um, there's nothing else that my midfield is good. There's nothing I should change about it, I feel. Only the defense, I have to do something. Get another, like instead of Bernardo, I'll have to get someone. Otherwise,
Hmm.
everything is good, I feel, in my
All of
team.
Grealish's
And
points, all of Grealish's points came on the last minute, like after 70 minutes.
Yeah.
yeah,
Was
I was like,
Saliba
why did I
scored
even
the
take
first
him?
goal.
When it was 4-0 up, I was like, why did I even take him? And then after,
First,
sorry, when he got 15 points, I didn't even
first I was
know.
happy and I like, okay, he got one assist, so I got someone for my one to watch. And then I was like, oh no, another assist. Okay, I feel like this much damage is enough. And then he scores a goal, and then I was upset a little.
What a goal to score also. Just thought of shooting the ball, like Luke shot, he get like.
I feel like he's ready for a top 6 club.
Yeah, I suppose.
What do you
So
guys think?
moving on, we'll go to Warren, who's in third place and has points me.
I don't think I've got anything to say about my game week. I'm not even interested. I'm not even interested about the next game week because 8 of my players are playing against each other, and I've got Ings out. There's nothing I can do about it. So this game week and next game week, I don't think there's anything I want to say. If I speak, I'm in trouble.
Ings is not confirmed. There was some positive reports, I think.
I googled United to check the like what time they're playing today, and I don't know why I had Ings like recovery or something that he's out for maybe 2 to 4 weeks or 2 to 6 weeks.
Oh,
I don't know.
which
It just popped up.
Yes. Ings is out for 4 to 5 weeks with minor surgery of knee, I think.
you asked
That's
your
bad
doctor
for me.
about? Yeah, sure.
Pardon?
I think there's any good alternative for Ings. The rest of the remaining guys was that they're all inconsistent. I actually wanted to put Grealish instead of Zaha, but Zaha's fixtures look like in the long run Zaha has better fixtures. I knew that he wasn't going to do
You
anything.
finally got your clean sheets now. You
Yeah,
finally
but
got your clean sheets in City and Wolves.
yeah, but what's the point when others get more points than me?
Yeah,
if
that's
if Leicester had kept their, I don't know. I thought they were not going to concede the way they were playing, but then I checked the score in the morning and then it was 4-1. So I would have been in the 60s range.
how
If
about
I,
your transfers? What transfers did you make?
yeah, I told you that I removed this guy, Rodriguez for Zaha.
Oh, okay.
For
Yeah.
who you are going to replace Ings with?
I do not know. There's nobody good. Like there's probably Jimenez, but I don't think any of the strikers are consistent for that
Hmm.
price tag.
You could upgrade to
So
Kane.
Varun, most of your players play each other.
What did I say at the beginning? I said 8 of my players are playing against each other.
We have to
I don't
excuse
think.
I
Rico
was not
because he
there.
has power outages in between.
Okay, yeah.
5 minutes left.
So
Yeah, okay.
since 8 of my players are playing against each other, I do not have. I feel like next game week is going to be a hit for me. I'll probably
That's a good news for me.
this guy is getting beating one.
Yeah, 25.
This guy is getting beating one.
Okay, moving on. We have Craig, who is consistently on top, leading our table.
Craig, how are you leading for so many weeks, man?
It was that one wild card week that made a difference.
Yes, man.
He's also leading the FPL Goa.
In second,
Yeah.
man.
He's second, man.
Second. Who's first in FPL Goa?
Bhanu.
Okay. Craig, what about your team?
Yeah, I thought I'd go with the same team. Didn't work very well. But nothing I can do now. Just move on. Next game week.
You should have Trent Alexander-Arnold. Like, I don't think many people have faith in him anymore. He's
Yeah,
not
but
scoring, assisting, or keeping clean sheets.
I back my boy. But I don't know. You might see him not there in my team next game week.
I think I asked you all in what game week is this? Game 7, okay. I think I asked you in game week 5 earlier, what are you guys going to do with Trent and Robertson?
Yeah, you mean you after me it's like I keep on saying, okay, he's not done, it's gonna be next game week. And that's been going on for like 4 game weeks now. So and since I've got like 2 transfers now, I could remove Trent. And but the thing is, when I bought Trent, he's quite expensive, and now he's not that expensive. I mean, he's dropped. So
He's no Podence.
This guy is going to remove Trent and is going to bring in Grealish or something. Just watch.
You should have Jorginho in your squad. So Jorginho will probably go if anyone is going. Since he has 2 free transfers.
we'll see about that. I've also got Shane Maximum on my bench. Yeah, I'm just disappointed that Rice didn't play. I was disappointing and
Who came on the
Martinez in
sides?
goal. Cresswell.
To be fair, Cresswell did play left centre back that game, so he didn't have really that many chances.
It was versus Liverpool, so it was on my
Looking
bench.
at his
That's why it
whole
was on
team,
my
he's
bench.
got. Looking at his whole team, he's got a good bench. You know?
Yeah, that is it.
So I'm just
So
gonna
one more
next
week at the
game
top. Let's see if you stay there.
What's the
Next
gap?
week,
30.
yeah, I don't know.
The gap is 31 points.
31. It's pretty close, but there are 3 on 397 points. I didn't realize that.
I'm going down my next game week. For sure, I'm going down next game week.
The river started rage. Jinx. Like how you started shouting.
How? Look, man, it's 8 players playing against each other. That's like 75 to 77% of my team. What do you think is going to happen?
Yeah.
End the video.
See.
End the video. End the video. End the video.
This Ribbo is the devil. Man.
Started at the bottom, now we're here.
So yeah, that was our league review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be coming up with captaincy picks, differentials, and wants to watch for Game Week 8. Yeah, if you haven't already, like Ribbo said at the beginning, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and comment. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back with Game Week review next week. Thanks.